Okay, Starsky&Hutch back on the road. Now you might think there's a bottle down there, by the way. You might think I was a bit unfair with my the bottle there, by the way, interview, where I was saying that, you know, it's people, possibly Hungarian people that's doing rubbish. Well, okay, let's give you another example. All the rubbish, plastic down there, here, look, you can see it all. Plastic bottles, cans, here, cans, another can, 2 cans there. As you can see, we're in a non-touristic area, no areas where birds are, and definitely there's no homeless people here, but there's still plenty of rubbish. Yeah, it's all through here, down here, there's plastic rubbish there. I know you might think I'm being a bit hard on the Hungarians, but we have a problem around the world with plastic. You're not really helping the situation at all. Plastic here, so please stop. Look, so down there there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 cans and bottles. There's more there, there's more here, and there's people live here. You know, they all have houses, not homeless. There's more rubbish down there, as you can see. Plenty of rubbish there. I say, stop dumping your rubbish. Stop throwing it out. Look at all this plastic in the grass. Stop. That's a simple message. Stop. Here. This is where we are. You come along here, it's even more rubbish here. Oh. Cans and plastic. And you just count all the bottles and things I've just showed you in the video and just think, bottles there, another bottle there. More rubbish there. 3 cans just there. There's more plastic there, another can there. There we are. Oops. More rubbish down here, bottles and things, lighters, forks, plastic bottle. So, don't tell me, please, it's the tourists and the birds and the homeless. It's not, it's the Hungarian people who live in Hungary, cans and bottles. And this is where we are, so I expect you to come down and clean it up sometime soon, please. Okay, here we go. Back on the road again.